Moqueca de Peixe. Flounder. A main dish from Brazil. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Put the fish into a large bowl. Step 2. In a blender or food processor, combine the onion, chili pepper, tomatoes, garlic, coriander, salt to taste, and lime or lemon juice. Reduce to a puree and add to the fish, mixing lightly. Step 3. Transfer to a saucepan and add 6 tablespoons of water and half of oil. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes until the fish is done. Pour in the remaining oil and heat for 1 more minute. Serve with rice. Culture, countries, travel.